So today I'm doing a sew-in with a lot of leave out. My client, she has really long hair, really thick hair. So I did small braids going straight back, and then you gather them together as you go. And then you sew the length up. You sew it down nice and soft. Make sure it's loose, not too tight. You don't want to pull the hair out. But this is the before. All right, so I just finished one full bundle of the Beauty Forever hair, and I basically sewed it on going from side to side, flip over, haven't cut anything, and I'm about to put the last bundle and then style it. The install is complete, and now I'm going to blend in the hair and style it. And here is the finished look, sew-in with leave out. Very natural, healthy, not too tight. Simple, easy. She can throw it up in a ponytail when she goes to the gym. Little body wave on there. And thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.